Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you along on our fabulous staycation at the luxurious SOFITEL Mumbai BKC. I'm Akanksha and please subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. We're so excited to show you around this incredible hotel, starting with our stunning room. But first, let's take a look at the lobby. As soon as you step into Sofitel Mumbai BKC, you're greeted with elegance and charm. The lobby's chic decor and friendly staff sets the stage for an unforgettable stay. And here's our beautiful room where we'll be spending the next few days. The room is tastefully decorated with modern amenities and luxurious touches throughout. One of the things we love the most about Sofitel is their attention to detail. From sumptuous linens to premium bath products, every aspect of our stay has been thoughtfully curated for ultimate comfort and relaxation. The room is curated to take care of all your needs, right from your cutlery to a fully loaded mini bar, to all your essentials such as nut, crackers, chips, and your coffee and tea essentials, your kettle, your daily dose of fresh water, and their cupboard, which has a locker and the other essentials, to the most favorite part of mine in the room, and that is the bathroom. It has this gorgeous bathtub which can literally accommodate a whole family with separate bathing and WC areas and a special cute little vanity area. But there's more to Sofitel than just the rooms. The hotel offers a range of indulgent experiences to help you unwind and rejuvenate during your stay. First up, we have Artisan Restaurant, a heaven for dessert lovers. Here, you can enjoy a delightful array of international dishes, all expertly crafted with the finest ingredients. They also have specially curated festive hampers so that you can gift your loved ones something special. Do check them out. They also have a hospitality desk which gives you information about events happening in and around BKC. Next we have is Pondichery Cafe, which begins with a display of some of the finest sculptures. In Pondicherry Cafe, you can embark on a culinary journey through India and beyond. From traditional Indian delicacies to global favorites, there's something here to satisfy every palate. Moving to their level 1, which has cute coffee nooks and corners, but most importantly, you can satisfy your taste buds at the Tuskers. If you're craving authentic Indian cuisine, look no further than Tuskers Restaurant. Here you can savor the rich flavors and aromas of regional specialities served with a contemporary twist. And last but not the least, we have Jyran Restaurant, where you can indulge in the flavors of Northwest frontier cuisine. From succulent kebabs to aromatic biryanis, every dish is a true masterpiece. Don't forget to check out their bar section. It's not only a piece of art but also gives a lot of exciting information about different spirits. I was amazed looking at the different formulations of gin. Moving now to the relaxing side of Sofitel BKC Mumbai. Step into a world of bliss and relaxation as we take you on a tour of Exquisite Spa at Sofitel Mumbai BKC. From the moment you enter, you'll be enveloped in a sense of calm and tranquility. Immerse yourself in a world of holistic wellness as expert therapists pamper you with a range of rejuvenating treatments and massages designed to soothe the body, mind, and soul. But the indulgence doesn't end here. Join us as we explore the lush oasis of the pool area, a heaven of tranquility amidst the vibrant energy of Mumbai business district. Surrounded by lush greenery and sleek design, the pool beckons you to unwind and bask in the warm embrace of tropical sun. Dive into the crystal clear waters or simply indulge in the poolside and soak in the serene ambience. And now for the highlight of our staycation, Sachin's birthday celebration.
To you. Shivu clapping. Happy birthday to Papa. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Papa.
We couldn't think of a better place to celebrate such a special occasion than right here at Sofitel Mumbai BKC. The staff went above and beyond to make Sachin's day unforgettable, and we're so grateful for their hospitality. Well, that wraps up our incredible staycation at Sofitel Mumbai BKC. We hope you enjoyed coming along on this journey with us. If you're ever in Mumbai and looking for a luxurious retreat, be sure to check out Sofitel. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you still haven't. We ended our day with a scrumptious dinner at the Pondicherry Cafe. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to hit a like.